Hello there, demonstrating the fold and roll technique for extra water conservation when you have a small amount of fresh, clean water and useful larger basin for disposing of the dirty water after it's used. So yes, it's basically just your washcloth. You fold it up, then roll it and hold the lower end whilst pouring the fresh water gradually through the top until you feel it reach the bottom. In this way, every time you refresh your washcloth with a new batch of fresh water, there's no spill and you get enough to wring it clean. Alright, so yeah, should work for really tight water budgets. Doing it one more time. There we go. It's rolled up after folding, pouring water through until I feel it down at the bottom. Yup. And now wringing it dry. All right, thank you.